rotary furnace for drying green coker over moisture materials, and precarbonization before graphitization. Commodities furnace body, transmission, feeding, discharging systems, refractory heating system, furnace tube, tail gas treatment, and electric control. Electrically heated external rotary structure, heat-resistant steel tube tilts and rotates, driving granular powdery materials in tumbling helical motion through temperature-controlled heating zones. For sintering, offers uniform heating, full reaction, consistent product